Hi, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the source code for cookie. This is an example I've taken for Java servlets because as we know, Java is a kind of programming language which will be used to develop logics for the applications predominantly from very long time. Servlets is one kind of client server application which will be used to like write client server coding and all everything. So in regard to that, I've just taken I'm going to explain you about the source code for a cookie example where the first one we have to import different Java IO servlets and as well as Java X dot servlets and all everything in the first level. Whenever we have imported, so we have to update the public classes as we are taking cookie as an example. So that public class of cookie example, which must be extended with the HTTP servlets and all everything is what we have to update. After that, we have to take a public void where do get HTTP servlet request will be there. Apart from that, HTTP servlet request responses will also be taken into an account under the public void. In connect to that, it throws to the exceptions and all everything to the servlets exceptions where we have to provide equal response by creating set content types. This set content type can be of anything. Either it could be the example of it could be a text message or it could be an HTML format. Text format or HTML format is what generally we will be taken. After that, print writer out, which is response.getWriter is what will be taken so that we can create in code, especially for printout cookies. That's what generally we do. In the next level, we need to update the cookies where if you want to update the cookies for request.getCookies, all that, where we have to create an integer, which normally integer I, which is of the 0 is what normally the value we will be taking. But ensure that it must be lesser than the cookies length, which is what we are taking I plus plus, like either it could be whatever the number that we're taking, either it could be I 0 or whatever it is, that one will be taken here. Next, cookie C, which is cookies and all everything. That but string name we have to give C dot get name is what we have to take. At the same time, string value should also be that C dot get value we have to take it. After that, output name plus the value is what we have to take here. So that set a cookie is what we have to be updated. So for that, we have to take a string name, which is request.get parameter cookie name has to be taken. Next, there is a condition has to be applied here as if name is equal to null and name length greater than 0, where we have to provide a string value like request.get parameter cookie value, followed by this cookie C, which is cookie name and value, wherein we have to take REC address of cookie C, all that. So this is how generally a source code for cookie example in reference to the Java servlets is what we have to write. If you have any queries in regard to that, if you have any questions, if you have any training needs in regard to this Java servlet solvent, please reach out to the contact details which will be posted into this video. Thank you.